Did Trump just pull a backdoor TPT deal? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And did President Trump just pull off the coup of a lifetime? It looks like we got to deal with the EU. It looks like Mexico's coming to the table. Who could be next? It has to be China. And of course, that's how we saw the markets explode late in the day after meandering around all day. The NASDAQ was stronger, anticipating Facebook and some of the other things. And of course, the S&P was stronger, but the Dow was extremely weak all day. And all of a sudden, about 2:30 or 3:30, 3:35, the markets come out and they found out that there's a deal in place with the EU. Markets exploded higher. The Dow was up about 180. The NASDAQ made all-time new highs. The S&P was up about 27 points. And of course, this is what we've been saying here all the time. There's an announcement coming. Here you go. Okay. And again, this was telegraphed by the way the markets are trading. Everybody kept going to the tariffs and the boo-hoo and the hand-wringing. And at the end of the day, it looks like there's a deal, and it looks like China is going to be involved because they're going to be forced to get involved because Trump got into TPP on his own terms, not the terms of what was set up from before. So we'll see how it works out. Again, there is no guarantees until it's done, and all deals can be broken. But right now, based on the way the market's trading, they love it. And of course, we love it as well because it gives us that explosion blow-off we're looking for an opportunity to sell. And over the next couple of days, we will look for an opportunity. Hopefully, this rally will continue tomorrow and into Friday because I think that would be the end of this rally, but we'll see how it trades out. We're not doing anything right now. We're going to still be patient and observe. In the meantime, Facebook had earnings, and they got clobbered on earnings, which we said. In fact, we shorted Facebook coming into the earnings only because, and not because I'm bearish Facebook, but because of the way it was trading going into earnings. It was hard to imagine they could meet the expectations, and it did not. In the meantime, bonds were higher. So once again, after 2 days of pummeling, they came back a little bit. Makes sense. We'll be looking for a spot to sell bonds. Gold finally held a rally. It did break early before coming back, but again, if it doesn't go over 1240 and hold over 1240, I have no interest in it. I think it's going lower. Oil had a little bit of a rally. It was down lower, came back, had an unbelievably bullish number again, and didn't really get the rally you might think. The VIX now made lows again, getting clobbered. That's something to look at, but I think the big story of the day was the grain market. Wheat was up, limit at one time, I think, but it closed up about 40 cents or 32 cents at the end of the day, which we kept saying, buy the grains, buy commodities, and so on. And of course, corn was up 7 cents. Even soybeans came from lower to be higher. Cattle rallied hard. The fats up to about almost 110. Feeders struggle a little bit, but are in that mid-range between 150 and 155. And hogs were up again today. So again, we're looking for some big movement in these commodities, and if this is a deal that is going to hold and force China to make a deal, look for the commodities to explode. That's the way that we would look for it. That's the way that we're going to trade it. But overall, right now, all we're doing right now is we're looking to buy cattle and grains on dips. I think that's the way to play this market right now. I think we're still sellers of oil. We're still waiting for our black swan event to occur. But if this market continues to blow off, we will be sellers, and we'll see how it takes place from there. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horowitz, and make sure you check out highschoolinvesting.com. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Bubba's Daily Update. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you later.